Are you a short rider struggling to find the perfect beginner motorcycle? You're not alone, and this video is your ultimate guide. We're diving into the top 7 most awesome and affordable bikes for those of us who are, shall we say, vertically challenged. Seat height, foot reach, and overall comfort can be a real pain. You don't want to be on your tippy toes at a stoplight, right? But fear not, my friends, there are plenty of amazing motorcycles out there that are perfect for us shorter folk. We're talking bikes that are easy to handle, comfortable to ride, and won't break the bank. So buckle up, get ready for some two-wheel therapy, and let's find you the perfect ride. First up, we've got the Honda Rebel 300. This bike is a classic for a reason. It's got a low seat height that's perfect for shorter riders, and its lightweight design makes it super easy to handle. Nimble and responsive, you'll be zipping through traffic and carving corners with confidence in no time. It's got a peppy engine that's perfect for both city streets and open roads. And let's not forget about style. The Rebel 300 has a timeless, cool kid look that never goes out of style. Plus, the Rebel 300 is a Honda, which means it's built to last. This bike is reliable, fuel efficient, and easy to maintain. Next up is a bike that's near and dear to my heart, the Suzuki SV650. The SV650 is known for its adjustable ergonomics, which means you can customize it to fit you like a glove. This thing is powered by a punchy V-twin that delivers smooth, predictable power throughout the rev range. It's got enough grunt to keep experienced riders entertained, but it's also forgiving enough for beginners. The SV650 is a blank canvas for customization. The possibilities are endless with this bike. Now let's talk about the Yamaha FZ07, a bike that's all about fun. This thing is a blast to ride thanks to its punchy engine and agile handling. The FZ07 has a relatively low seat height and a narrow frame, which makes it easy to reach the ground and maneuver at low speeds. Its 689cc parallel twin engine delivers a thrilling surge of power that will put a smile on your face every time you twist the throttle. It's the kind of bike that makes you want to take the long way home, just to feel the wind in your hair. Perfect for shorter riders looking for a fun ride. If you're looking for a bike that's as comfy as your favorite pair of slippers, the Kawasaki Vulcan S is calling your name. This cruiser is designed for long rides and relaxed cruising, and it's got a secret weapon for shorter riders, the Ergo Fit system. With Ergo Fit, you can adjust the seat height, handlebar position, and foot peg placement to find the perfect riding position for your body type. The Vulcan S also boasts a low center of gravity, which makes it easy to handle at low speeds. Its 649cc parallel twin engine delivers smooth, responsive power that's perfect for cruising down the highway or navigating city streets. Now, city dwellers, this one's for you. The BMW G310R is a lightweight and nimble machine that's perfect for navigating the urban jungle. It's got a super approachable seat height and a narrow profile that makes zipping through traffic a breeze. The G310R is still a BMW through and through, with a punchy single-cylinder engine that's surprisingly peppy. It's fuel-efficient too, which is always a plus when you're battling city traffic. The G310R has a sleek, modern design that looks right at home in the urban environment. Okay, speed demons, this one's for you. The KTM 390 Duke is a sporty and agile bike that packs a serious punch. It's lightweight, flickable, and tons of fun to ride, especially if you're looking for a bike that can handle both commuting and weekend canyon carving. The 390 Duke is super accessible for shorter riders with a low seat height and a narrow frame. This bike is a riot to ride. It's powered by a punchy single-cylinder engine that loves to be revved. We're talking about upside-down forks, a preload adjustable rear shock, and disc brakes at both ends. Last but not least, we have the Royal Enfield Meteor 350, a bike that combines classic styling with modern technology. The Meteor 350 has a timeless design that never goes out of style, and it's got a low seat height that makes it perfect for shorter riders. But don't let its vintage looks fool you. This bike is packed with modern features. We're talking about fuel injection, a smooth shifting gearbox, and even a USB charger for your phone. It's the perfect blend of old-school cool and modern convenience. So there you have it, 7 fantastic motorcycles that are perfect for us vertically challenged riders. Remember, the most important thing is to find a bike that fits you comfortably and gives you the confidence to ride. Don't be afraid to visit dealerships and test ride a few different models before making a decision. You can also look into lowering kits or modifications if you find a bike you love, but need to adjust the seat height. And remember, there's a whole community of shorter riders out there who are happy to offer advice and support. Which of these bikes would you ride first? Let us know in the comments. and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more motorcycle guides.